On the shores of Hengqin Island, just south of Macau, China has created an engineering and conservation marvel that redefines what it means to celebrate the ocean. Ocean Kingdom, officially the largest aquarium and marine-themed park in the world, is a monumental fusion of technology, artistry, and environmental stewardship. Spanning 130 hectares and featuring an unparalleled array of marine habitats, rides, and conservation programs, this $5 billion park represents humanity's highest achievement in honoring and protecting the natural world. From its record-breaking structures to its vast array of marine life, Ocean Kingdom serves as a sanctuary, a spectacle, and a statement about the power of innovation. The park, which attracts millions of visitors annually, is not only a premier entertainment destination, but also a hub for marine education and conservation. At the core of Ocean Kingdom is the vision of a Chinese billionaire who saw beyond the concept of a traditional theme park to create a space that would inspire awe, educate visitors, and serve as a global benchmark for marine conservation. This vision aimed to bridge entertainment with environmental awareness, allowing people to experience the wonders of the ocean in ways previously unimaginable. Why Hengqin Island? Hengqin Island was chosen for its strategic location in a special economic zone near Macau. It offered proximity to major tourist hubs and had the potential for large-scale development. Once a quiet fishing village, Hengqin underwent a transformation into a bustling urban and tourist destination. A global collaboration Ocean Kingdom was a multinational effort, involving some of the best minds in architecture, marine biology, engineering, and design. Leading firms from the United States, Japan, and Europe collaborated with Chinese architects and biologists to create a project of unprecedented scope and complexity. Over 20,000 workers from diverse backgrounds and disciplines worked tirelessly to transform this vision into reality. The heart of the park, the Grand Aquarium. At the core of Ocean Kingdom is the Grand Aquarium, a structure so vast and complex that it holds numerous world records. Housing 31 million liters of seawater, the Grand Aquarium is not only the largest single tank in the world, but also a testament to cutting-edge engineering and design. The record-breaking acrylic glass wall. The Grand Aquarium is framed by an enormous acrylic glass wall, measuring 40 meters wide, 8 meters high, and 65 centimeters thick. This structure, designed to withstand immense water pressure, offers visitors unparalleled views of the marine world. The clarity and durability of this glass wall set a new standard in aquarium construction and earned Ocean Kingdom a Guinness World Record. The 50-ton glass dome above the aquarium, a 12-meter-wide acrylic dome, weighing 50 tons, allows visitors to observe marine life from a panoramic overhead perspective. Fabricated in Japan, this dome was transported to China under highly controlled conditions. Its installation required the construction of a temporary 7-kilometer road, as well as specialized cranes and months of precision alignment. Underwater tunnels. For a fully immersive experience, visitors can walk through underwater tunnels, where they are surrounded on all sides by schools of fish, stingrays, and sharks. These tunnels provide a 360-degree view of the aquatic environment and are a favorite among visitors of all ages, simulating natural marine environments. To replicate the conditions of the ocean, the aquarium features state-of-the-art water systems that regulate salinity, temperature, and oxygen levels. Artificial currents mimic the natural flow of water, creating a realistic habitat for the aquarium's inhabitants. Lighting systems are carefully calibrated to simulate sunlight, moonlight, and the deep-sea darkness experienced by certain species. Populating the aquarium, a Herculean task. Filling the Grand Aquarium with marine life was one of the most ambitious animal relocation projects ever undertaken. With 30,000 marine creatures representing hundreds of species, the logistics required careful planning, coordination, and innovation. Whale sharks, the largest fish on Earth. The aquarium's most celebrated residents are its whale sharks, which are not only the largest fish in the world, but also among the most vulnerable to extinction. Transporting these gentle giants, some over 7 meters long, was a monumental task that required custom-built transport tanks. These tanks were specially designed to maintain stable water conditions, including temperature and oxygen levels during transit. Continuous monitoring. A team of marine biologists accompanied the whale sharks on their journey, using advanced equipment to monitor their health and stress levels. Precision handling. Specialized cranes and nets were used to carefully lower the sharks into the aquarium, a process that required hours of delicate coordination. The successful relocation of the whale sharks demonstrated Ocean Kingdom's commitment to conservation and its ability to achieve what was previously thought impossible: manta rays, sea turtles, and other species. The Grand Aquarium is also home to giant manta rays, green sea turtles, and an array of tropical fish and sharks. Each species was acclimated to its new environment through tailored care and adjustments to water conditions. Rescue and rehabilitation. Many of the park's marine creatures were rescued from threatening situations, including overfishing and habitat destruction. Ocean Kingdom provides these animals with a safe and enriched environment, highlighting its role as both an entertainment destination and a conservation sanctuary. Themed zones. A world of marine exploration. Ocean Kingdom is divided into 7 themed zones, each representing a unique marine ecosystem or natural environment. These zones combine vibrant design, educational content, and immersive experiences to create a journey through the wonders of the ocean. Polar Adventure Zone. This icy realm replicates the habitats of the Arctic and Antarctic, featuring penguins, seals, walruses, and other cold-water creatures. A polar-themed circus theater, where performances educate visitors about the impact of climate change on polar ecosystems. Coral Kingdom. A tribute to the ocean's coral reefs, this zone features stunning coral displays teeming with colorful fish. Interactive exhibits explaining the importance of coral conservation and the threats posed by climate change. Rainforest Adventure. This lush, tropical environment highlights the connection between rainforests and oceans, with cascading waterfalls, exotic plants, and vibrant bird species. Amusement and adventure. In addition to its marine exhibits, Ocean Kingdom offers a range of world-class rides and attractions that cater to thrill seekers and families alike. Flying roller coaster. The park is home to the world's longest flying roller coaster, stretching over 1.3 kilometers and reaching speeds of 110 kilometers per hour. This ride takes visitors on a high-speed journey through the skies, offering spectacular views of the park's themed zones. Dark rides. Using cutting-edge technology, these immersive rides transport visitors into fantastical underwater worlds, blending storytelling with advanced virtual reality elements. Iconic sculptures. Towering over the park is a 66-meter whale shark sculpture, a visual emblem of Ocean Kingdom's mission to celebrate and protect marine life. Taller than the Statue of Liberty, this steel masterpiece symbolizes the park's dedication to the ocean. Overcoming challenges. The creation of Ocean Kingdom was not without its obstacles. The project faced significant challenges, including monsoon weather. Frequent rains turned the construction site into a muddy expanse, delaying progress and complicating logistics. Engineering complexities. The installation of the aquarium's glass wall and dome required millimeter-perfect precision. Even the slightest misalignment could have jeopardized the entire structure. Animal welfare. Introducing tens of thousands of marine animals to a controlled environment was a delicate process, requiring constant monitoring and adjustments to ensure their health and safety. Education, conservation, and sustainability. Ocean Kingdom is more than an entertainment destination. It is a hub for marine education and conservation. Educational programs. Interactive exhibits and live shows teach visitors about marine ecosystems, biodiversity, and the importance of ocean conservation. Guided tours offer a behind-the-scenes look at the park's operations, allowing visitors to see how the animals are cared for. Sustainable practices. The park employs advanced water filtration and recycling systems to minimize its environmental footprint. By using renewable energy and eco-friendly materials, Ocean Kingdom demonstrates its commitment to sustainability. That's all for now. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. More to come. See you next time.